Bernal Heights is one of the fastest growing neighborhoods in San Francisco right now. The appreciation curve over the last 2 years is pretty steep, and it just shows the progression of San Francisco pushing south, starting with the front side of Bernal Heights, the Presida Park area. That neighborhood has exploded, and the explosive growth of Presida, with single family homes pushing that $3 million mark now, which is prices similar to Glen Park and Noe Valley. It just shows that the city is pushing south, and the value of homes is slowly translating to the south side of Bernal now too, as we see those values start to creep up. So in this analysis, we're looking at 467 Gates Street. It is a single family home, 4-bed, 4-bath, just under 2,400 square feet. So it's a sizable property. And the purpose of this video is to sort of project, based on the market in the last couple of months, how it's going to sell. So in the last 6 months of data in Bernal Heights alone, there has been 3 sales of 4-bed, 4-bath properties, averaging about $1,040 a square foot per sale. Whereas if you go the 4-bed, 3-bath, there's been a few more sales, which gives us a bit more of a breadth of data. It's 4 beds, 3 baths, averages about $950 a square foot with 9 sales in the last 6 months. So I've got some up in front of me just to show the best comparable properties and predict where 467 Gates will realistically sell for. I think the best comp from my studies is probably 192 Bonneview. It's a 4-bed, 3-bath. It's sold at the end of April for $2.35 million. Similar square footage. Actually, it's slightly smaller, but it's a similar square footage, slightly smaller. Only 3 baths, but it is 1 block north of Cortland Avenue, whereas this Gates property is 1 block south. So vicinity is very close. The best data-based comp for this property is, I've got it right in front of me, 478 Anderson Street. It's a perfect comp. It's 4-bed, 4-bath, but it sold January 9th, which is not the ideal time of the market, for $2.2 million. It was fully updated, really nice property, a little further away from Cortland than these 2 properties, but I think market timing affected its sale value, which affects the value of this comp. Obviously, we're in the peak of summer right now, start of June. We're going to see a lot of houses moving, especially single family homes with this much square footage. So I'm predicting about that 2.35 to 2.4 range. I think it's priced perfectly. If you'd like a private tour, if you want like a really in-depth market analysis, I can send data across. Do me a favor, just put your email in the box below and I can send all that across to you. I'm happy to set up private tours any day of the week. This is a gorgeous house and I would love for you to see it.